Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, let us see the performance of our MST iCore 2.0 in silver. Yesterday, many of you have asked me, sir, we are very small traders. We want to trade in silver micro. It is having very huge movement, and per point it is only 1 rupee. So, you had asked me, can you please show me a demo on silver micro? See here, for everything, same concept has to be applied. What you have to do? First thing, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. The name of the YouTube channel is MST School of Trading and name of the Telegram channel is MST School of Trading. And the second thing, you have to select any one plan. Any one plan you have to select. Start from 3 months to lifetime plan is available. Once you have taken the 3 months plan, today we have given extra offer that you will get extra 1 month validity. If you are getting 6 month plan, you will get 2 months extra validity. If you are going for 1 year plan, you will get 1 year extra validity. So at very high discount we are giving for the benefit of the traders. Why we are giving higher validity? Because if you are taking 1 month validity to understand the system, it is not enough. The time period will not be enough. So you have to spend more time. You have to fine tune as per your knowledge along with the indicator so that you can perform well. So that is why we are telling, please put some effort along with this indicator so that you can shine well. Indicator alone is not enough. And you have to have the psychology of the trading. Suppose say here buy activated, targets hit. You should control yourself that you should not trade again and again and again. And suppose if SL hit, you should be in a position of going for reversal entry. If you are scared to take the reversal entry, then you will lose the money in the market. And don't trade in all the script. Don't trade in all the script. Select any one script and keep trading in that script. That is enough. If you want silver micro, take silver micro. If you want silver mega, take silver mega. If you want crude oil or crude oil mini, copper, natural gas, BANKNIFTY, Nifty or any stocks, you take any particular script and keep trading on that script so that you will get 100% profit ratio overall in a month. So with this point, I will show you the demo. First, what you have to do, go on to the website or install the TradingView app in your mobile phone. See, our indicator will work in all the platform like mobile platform, system, laptop, tablet, and any browser you can use it. Even TV also you can use it. So it does not have any restriction. So what you have to do, go to www.trading.com on the browser or install your TradingView app. Then go to the indicator. This is the indicator, and in the invite only you can see our indicator is there, and just click on to our indicator and it will be added onto your chart. Next thing what you have to do, see here, suppose today is our 9:15 a.m. 9 o'clock candle, and time frame is not a matter. Starting from 1 second to 15 minutes you can keep for intraday. Even it will work in day time frame also, but it will show you the positional trading. The positional trading it will show you. And before that, go to the indicator, come down and keep in reset settings. Always reset settings before you trade for the day. Now assume that market has opened. See here, immediately once the market is open, immediately our 5 lines is getting formed. So initially it was 5 lines, now I have made into 9 lines. So top side 3 line, bottom side 3 line, and in between there are 3 lines. There will be totally 9 lines. Now how to trade? We have to wait for the market either to reach the upper side or to the downside. Upper side is the supply zone, downside is the demand zone. If the market is coming down first, you have to buy. And you should be ready with advanced pending order. Suppose say yesterday silver micro activated at 73,513 buy entry, and the sell entry will be 73,997. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. Keep in mind. Only if you know extra price action methodology and if you want to take risk from your profit which you have made already, then you can go for the one more entry. Keep this in mind. Otherwise, as per the rule for the discipline trading, to have a consistent profit from this market, you must trade only one trade per day. Okay, don't ever forget this. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. So since buy activated, I am enabling first buy targets. I am removing second buy targets, and I am removing everything, midpoint, top midpoint. So we can have bottom midpoint, no issue. This also I am removing, this also I am removing. So by default there will be 3 targets. If you want extra targets, that also you can have. Otherwise you can come here. See, I have kept tiny SL, tiny targets. If you want to keep in 1:2 ratio, change to small targets. If you want to keep 1:3 ratio, change into normal targets. It is up to you. So minimum you have to book 1:1 ratio. See here, first exactly our buy entry activated. It is going up. 1:1 is already hit. 1:2 also hit. So we are waiting for the next targets. Since today I have kept 1:3 only for showing you the demo, I have kept 1:3 ratio. So I have increased the speed. First target hit, second target hit. So almost all the 3 targets hit with the 1:3 ratio. Don't forget, this is 1:3 ratio. So if you see in 1:1 ratio, it is already hit. If you want 1:2 ratio, that also already hit. See here, 1:2 ratio also already hit. So if you want to add the extra targets, where you have to go? Come here. So here you can see first buy target 4. Just give add. That's all. So almost all the targets have been hit. So I hope this is clear. And few of you have asked me about what it is, forex trading. Okay. So where is the forex trading? Yesterday, yeah, forex. So if you want me to show Bitcoin, same method. You don't have to do any changes. Come here, go to this indicator settings and give reset settings. See here. So this is up to yesterday. Market is over. Now next market is open. So yesterday sell activated, 2 targets hit in this candle at as per Indian time it is 7 o'clock. So in 7:45 2 targets have been hit. After that second buy activated, all the targets hit. Once again it has taken support from here and all the targets hit. See here how much profit you have got. So this is how it is working. It is very simple to use our indicator. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. And if you want to see yourself on your system, please subscribe to any of the plan and get it in your system. And we are offering now with the lifetime validity. Don't forget, with a very huge discount. So you will not get this offer hereafter. So thank you for watching our video. If you have any doubts, please call on us on the given number 9500009154. Before calling us, please WhatsApp us so that our executives will be there to support you 24/7. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy, profitable day ahead.